you like chicken salad and pickles, then you're gonna want to keep watching this video. Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome, welcome. So friends, I have a yummy, delicious recipe for you today. I am going to be making dill pickle chicken salad. Yep, dill pickle chicken salad. So I'm going to jump right on in. Let me quickly go over all the ingredients, and I want to get this mixed up so I can get it in the fridge, run an errand, and come back and have my lunch. All right, my friends, so first I have some bacon bits. You can use real bacon if you want, or if you don't want bacon in there, you can leave it out, or just cook the bacon and put it on the bread, and then put the salad on top with some lettuce. That would be perfect too. Have Dijon mustard, 2 green onions, cream cheese, black pepper, some dill weed onion powder, some granulated garlic, mayo, dill pickles, and some rotisserie chicken. And if you follow me, you know I buy the big pack of already cooked rotisserie chicken, or already picked rotisserie chicken from Costco, and then I just divide it up. So there's about 3 cups there chopped up. So that's all we're putting in. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, my friends, so that is all the ingredients that we're gonna need. So we're gonna go ahead, turn the camera down, and get this mixed up. I do have 4 ounces of cream cheese sitting in the bowl to soften. I didn't take it out as early as I'd hoped, so it's not quite as soft as I would like. I'm gonna be using my hand mixer. If it's soft, you know, you can use a regular spatula or something to mix it up, but I'm gonna go ahead and use my hand mixer. So let's turn the camera down and quickly put this together because I'm hungry. All right, like I said, I got 4 ounces of cream cheese in there. I'm putting in a 1/3 cup of mayo. I am not a huge mayo fan, so I kind of go lighter on the mayo. If you like it really creamy, then go ahead and up your mayo, or you might want to start with this and then just kind of see where we're at. And then I'm going to add in about 3/4 of a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Oops, I'm going to shot it across the counter. And then we're gonna go ahead and mix this together, and then we're gonna add a little bit of the pickle juice and then the seasonings. Alrighty. You can tell with my ring light's flashing. Now I'm going to go ahead and add in 1 teaspoon of pickle juice. And then I have here a 1/2 tablespoon of dill weed, a 1/4 tablespoon of onion powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic salt. So I am dumping all of those in. Then we're gonna see how we're doing. Yeah, see, once you add the pickle juice, it makes it a little creamier. Yeah. All right, perfect. Perfect, perfect. Let me take this off. Get these scraped, and then we're gonna come back and finish this off. All right, my friends, so now I'm gonna go ahead. I have 1 whole dill pickle that I'm adding in, chopped up. Remember, there's juice coming from that, and then my 2 scallions are diced up. Okay. And then I have about a 1/2 bag of bacon bits. This bag is a 2.5 ounce or 2.5 ounce bag. I'm just gonna go ahead and, oh, actually, yeah, I'm just gonna add it all. And then I'm gonna go ahead and mix this up real quick. it's already smelling delicious. Look at that, friends. All right, now we're just gonna go ahead and add our chicken real quick. Alrighty, I'm gonna go ahead and add my chopped chicken. At this point, you can really tell whether or not you want more mayo or not in here. Like I said, I am not a huge fan of tons of mayo. I prefer mine on the drier side. So you can add in a half a cup of mayo if you prefer it a little bit creamier. But this is exactly how I prefer mine. All right. Now I'm gonna get this in the fridge for about an hour or two, an hour and a half, I think. I gotta go run an errand real quick. Then I'm gonna come back and have some lunch. All right, it's all wrapped up. Let's put it in the fridge. And I will see you shortly. All right, my friends, it is lunchtime. Just took it out. I have some bread in the toaster. I'm going to go ahead and make a sandwich and have some dill pickle chips with it. Hubby's trying it for the first time. He's never had it, so I'll have to let you know what he thinks. So let me wait for my toast and then we'll go ahead and make our sandwich. All right, my friends, here we have it with the little dill pickle chip. All right, let's give it a taste. Mm. 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 Had to get a paper towel. Mm. So delicious. Hubby's eating his right now, and he said, it's not bad, it's just different. And again, he's not a big pickle person at all, but he said it's not bad, it's different. I personally absolutely love it, of course, and I think all my pickle lovers will like it as well. It's not overpowering of pickles, just a FYI. You can taste it, but it's not overpowering, but it is really, really delicious. So friends, that'll do it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, hit that little subscribe button, as it does greatly help me out. Also, check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. So friends, thanks so much, and I'll catch up with you next time. Bye.